Jim here from Jim's Digital Marketing. In this video, we're going to cover every single detail about structured snippets. What are those? Do they really help when we are setting up Google Ads campaign? Should you use it? Should you not use it? I'm going to cover every single detail in this video. You might also know this as an extension in Google Ads, but now they're called as assets. All right, let's cut the small talk. Let's dive deep into the ads account so we can set up some campaigns and we can cover some structured snippets. All right, boys and girls, now I'm in the ad account. What we're going to do, first of all, you can see the structured snippets, all the asset types, site link extensions, call out extensions, under ads and assets, or in some cases, in some Google Ads views, it might be sitting under insights and reports. So in my view, in my Google Ads view, it is under the ads and assets. So I'm going to come here under the campaign level. I'm going to click on assets. I'm going to click on this blue plus sign and I will see all the asset types that I can create. What we want in this case is structured snippets. I'm going to click on this bad boy. And now we can set a structured snippet in 3 different levels. One is account level, meaning this structured snippet will be available in all of the campaigns that I have. Number 2 is the campaign level. I can assign the structured snippet to only certain campaigns. In the ad group level, I can maybe use the structured snippet for the specific keyword groups that I want to target. And I don't maybe want to target in all of my keyword groups, all of my key ad groups, right? You can say that. In this case, we're going to create one in the account level. First and foremost, you want to set your language. Most cases, it's going to be English. And then in the select the header type, we're going to see certain options. And these certain options, guys, are not adjustable. You cannot set your own header type. So it is not like call out extensions. You cannot type in whatever you want. So there are certain types. In some cases, your service or product might not be available in any of those. So there's certain cases, I have some accounts that are not suitable for these, so I don't use structured snippets at all. So the good thing about this is you don't necessarily put a link. So meaning you're not taking people to different pages on your website, which might impact your conversion rate overall, which is a good thing. So your dedicated landing page, if you have one, that will not impact your overall conversion rate. In some cases, I see it a lot. Advertisers take people to about us, our mission, blah, blah, some like irrelevant pages just to fill those site link extensions, just to cover some real estate. Yes, it does cover real estate. However, your overall conversion rate will decrease. So you want to put relevant services to your business, which can drive conversions. So if you're not going to drive conversions with About Us page, you really don't want to use site link extensions for them. All right, let's get back to the point, which is structured snippets. Let's look at the options. So we have amenities. So let's say you have a hotel, you're advertising for a hotel. Let's put amenities just like whatever you have. Wi-Fi, pool, fitness center. These are examples, and it is going to show up just like this, guys. I will show you one more example in a bit, but it will show after the description. So you can see your descriptions and you will see them after. If you have call out extensions, you will see them after call out extensions. So if you don't have call out extensions, it will show up after the descriptions, which is not a bad thing or a good thing. So we're just going to put the amenities. The only thing you have to know, guys, you cannot do promotions. You cannot do 10% off. So, or you cannot use exclamation marks. They will get rejected right away. So don't put that. Just be honest and just stick to what Google wants you. Let's say you offer Wi-Fi. Let's you offer dinner, which is an amenity in your hotel. Let's say you have a fitness center, just like the example. You're going to put those. You're going to need to add as many values as possible so Google has more data to try and find the best possible combination. This was the amenities. Let's say you have brands. Brands is useful if you are a reseller, right? If you're selling a bunch of stuff, like let's say in Australia, we have JB Hi-Fi. This is the brand, for instance. Let's take a look. They're selling a bunch of different brands. If I'm running their Google Ads, guys, let's look at the brands that they're targeting. They're selling Microsoft, Samsung, Garmin. What the hell is that? Let's see what else we have. Latest brands: Google, HP, Samsung, Sony, Nintendo, LG. So I want to put those: Apple, Boost, Dyson. They're advertising big brands. They're selling big brands, right? So I want to put those all in if I'm running ads for JB Hi-Fi, right? If I'm not, of course, if you're, let's say I'm a reseller, shoe brand, sneakers brand, right? And I'm selling Nike, and I'm selling Adidas, and I'm selling, let's say, Yeezys. So I want to put those in. So in brands, you can put those. Courses. Let's say you're selling Facebook ads course. Let's say you're selling Google ads course. So you can put those in the courses section. What else we have? Degree programs. You can say, if you're advertising for a university, for instance, you can put master's degree, Masters of Commerce, for instance, right? Or you can put MBA. Google checks this, guys. If you put really irrelevant stuff and you want to outsmart Google, they will reject you. Just keep that in mind. Destinations. Let's say you have a travel agency and you want to target people, and then you put Paris, you put Japan, whatever the case may be. Let's look at featured hotels. This is super self-explanatory, guys. If you're a hotel chain, you put the hotel chains here. Insurance coverage. Let's say pet insurance, travel insurance. So you got to put those options that you have, and it will show up as amenities and insurance coverage, and you will, so as you can see, insurance coverage, and you put your values. The important point is you cannot do pet, comma, travel. You have to put one value in each spot. That is important as well. Models, let's say Corolla, you're selling Mercedes, you're selling BMW, you're going to put those models in. If you're selling, let's say, car brand, promoting a car brand. If you're selling cars, second-hand cars, brand new cars, this is great. You want to use structured snippets. Neighborhoods, it's super self-explanatory. The most common one, if you're using structured snippets for service-based businesses, Google Ads is bread and butter for service-based businesses, guys. They love advertising on Google, and most of them uses service catalogs. What they do is, guys, let's say they're a cleaner, and I have some clients like that. What we usually do, let's say carpet cleaning. That is one service we offer. We also offer steam cleaning. We also offer window cleaning. So we want to put all the services we offer, and we want to show them in the account level. In some cases, yes, you might want to show them only in campaign level. Let's say in what cases you can use this and apply only to campaigns. I will show you one example. For this to happen, you need to have campaigns that you already set up in this account. I don't have it. It's a test account. That's why you don't see any campaigns. And click on it and then say done. So in what case, one scenario you can use it not on the account level, but on the campaign level. I will tell you why. Let's say you have one cleaning brand and they're in Melbourne, advertising on Melbourne, right? And in Melbourne branch, they offer carpet cleaning, steam cleaning, and window cleaning. Let's say we have Sydney branch and they have the same brand. They offer these services we advertising in Sydney, but they only offer carpet cleaning and steam cleaning. So if I use it at an account level, people might want to see this window cleaning here and click on my ad. And that is kind of misleading. That's why I don't want to put it in the account level. I want to put it on the campaign level only, which is only relevant for that specific campaign I set up in Sydney, right? Because in that case, I don't offer window cleaning, right? That is the only reason that you want to do that. It doesn't have to be that. Maybe you do it account level. You want to put those service catalogs in specific keyword groupings. If you have a reason, you can do that. Totally up to you. It totally depends on your campaign structure. Let's say what else we have, guys. This was, let's just keep in mind, most popular one. A lot of people use this. We have shows. I don't use this, guys, if you're selling shows or if you're advertising for a theater or a movie service, movie theater could be done. You can put all the other shows, available shows. It just gives you extra real estate. If Google gives you that ability, why not use it? Is it guaranteed you're going to show all of your structure snippets all the time? No, it is not guaranteed. Google might not show any structure snippets at all, but if they usually show it, and that might lead you to get some clicks. And if your competitors are not using it, you will definitely going to steal that click. And we go down, we have styles. So you can put all the styles of whatever the product you have. Usually it doesn't work with services. And we have types. This usually works really well for products. As you can see, the examples of t-shirts, mugs, bags, what type of style, what is the product in that sense. You can put those in. Let's look at some advanced stuff. In callout extensions, guys, there was a advanced drop down right here, which we were able to set a start time and an end date. So we cannot here set a start date and an end date. So if you put that in, they have to be valid for a long time. The reason being is call-out extensions you use, in this case, the call-out extensions in the description 1, description 2, and let's say we have a call-out extension here. What we do, guys, we put a unique selling proposition, which might be for a short period of time, right? Or you have an offer, you can put that in the call-outs, right? Free shipping, but the free shipping could be valid from a certain date to certain dates. But your services, like your business, doesn't really change a lot. That's why they don't allow us to change the start dates and end dates of a structured snippet. Just keep that in mind. But on call-out extensions, we have the ability to do that. By the way, I have a call-out extensions video as well. I will put it up there. Go watch that video if you want to learn that and the tricks of it as well. So this is how it looks on mobile, guys. If you want to see how it looks on desktop, just click on this preview and it will take you to the desktop view. And as you guys can see, the bottom ones are site links, and these are the structured snippets. You can see what type of structured snippet that brand is using. As you guys can see, it says types. Let's look at one example. Let's go to Google. All right, let's type in cleaning services Melbourne, and we're going to try to find some examples of structured snippets. The first one doesn't have, they have site link extensions. They have a headline description. We go down, headline description as well. We don't have structured snippets so far again. And let's go down. Let's try to find some structured snippets. Scrolling down. All right, we found one, guys. We found one, bark.com. As you guys can see, get customer services. And it stops here, and then services start. This is service catalog, starts flat cleaning and blah, blah, blah. So we cannot see the rest. As I said, you're not guaranteed to see all of the structured snippets. In this case, we have one example. One of them is showing here, and we're not going to be able to see the rest. So this is how it looks on a desktop device, and in some cases you will see all of them, like whatever they have. In some cases you will just see one example, just like we saw in this example. All right, hope this was clear, guys. This is structured snippets. These are the best practices. If you like Google Ads or Facebook ads, don't forget to subscribe because I give away a lot of free stuff. See you in the next one.